We're just out at Crestmead, where we do our frames and trusses. It's about halfway between the Gold Coast and Brisbane. These are the coils of steel that we get delivered. So every house starts out with basically a big roll of steel. This is one of our decoilers. So each of these rolls is over a ton. So obviously very heavy. There's about probably 1.5 houseboats in each one of these coils. So each day we do 20 kilometres worth of this steel. In the factory here we've got 12 machines, all doing different stages of the construction. You can see each of these components, and it's all about the design. As it comes out of the machine, it's putting the crimping, it's putting the holes in there. This little dimple lock system is what holds the frame together. So literally the studs and the tracks click together, and it makes it simple and easy to put together. This is the way the frame's coming out of the machine. So it's getting cut to the right size, and then if we're sending a house overseas, they take each one of these pieces of the stud and bundle it together for each wall, and it's called flat pack. For any of the local jobs, we actually assemble it here on one of these benches. So a team of 3 can put one of these together in a whole house lot in about 4 or 5 hours. This is a prefabricated frame, so anywhere in Australia we assemble the frame like this, so when it turns up the side it's just a matter of standing the walls up and screwing them together. Obviously if we're setting a house overseas it doesn't make sense to have it pre-assembled like this because it takes up too much room. This is where we make the trusses for the houses, so it's put onto a jig. As it comes out of the machine it's all put together and bolted down. All the holes are already pre-punched, so it's all perfectly straight, square and flush. A lot of the blue scope material that we use most of the time now, this has got a zinc aluminum coating on it, so it doesn't rust, it doesn't twist, it doesn't warp. It's obviously, you know, even though this is a big panel, you can see it's very easy to manoeuvre. So 2 people can easily pick this up and put it into place. So you're not having to use cranes and trucks and everything on site. All the service holes are pre-punched through the framework for the plumber and the electrician, so it makes it a lot easier on site to run all the cables and the wires and the plumbing. In-house we use a riveting system to put them all together. For the exports we use what's called a super screw, and it's just screwed on site. And imagine we're all about can-do attitudes. We'll show you how to design your house to suit your site so you get exactly what you want within your budget.